Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've been using Notion for collaboration and you've got a Teamspace you no longer need, you might be wondering how to properly delete, or as Notion calls it, archive, a Teamspace in 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to archive a Teamspace, ensuring your workspace stays organized and clutter-free. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. The first thing we're going to do is head straight into Notion settings. So open up your Notion app or website and look for the settings option. This might look like a little gear icon, usually found at the top left or top right of your screen, depending on your device or window size. Clicking on Settings is your gateway to all the controls you have over your workspace, so take a moment to familiarize yourself if you haven't been here before. Now, once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Teamspaces. Teamspaces are where groups in Notion can collaborate on dedicated work areas, so all of your different Teamspaces will be listed right here. Go ahead and click into the Teamspaces section. This is where you'll begin to manage all the workspaces your team has created so far. Inside the Manage Teamspaces section, you'll see a list of all your current Teamspaces. Take a moment here to double-check which Teamspace you actually want to delete. It helps to pause and verify at this stage, because archiving a Teamspace means removing access for everyone. It's a bit like packing up a shared office and sealing the door. Once you're sure, select the Teamspace you want to get rid of. With the right Teamspace selected, look for a set of 3 dots. This is the universal More Options icon on Notion. Clicking on these 3 dots opens up extra actions you can take for that Teamspace. Sometimes, these options may shift slightly depending on your version, but you should always find something like Archive Teamspace in the list. Go ahead and select that. Now, here's an important step. Notion will prompt you to type in the exact name of the Teamspace before you're able to proceed. This step is Notion's way of preventing any accidental deletions. It's like when you're deleting an important file on your computer and the system asks, "Are you really sure?" So carefully type in the full name of the Teamspace exactly as it appears. This might take a moment, and if you get it wrong, Notion will let you know, so there's no rush. Accuracy matters here. Finally, once you've typed in the Teamspace name, you'll be able to click Archive Teamspace to confirm. Go ahead and do that. The Teamspace will then be archived, which means it's essentially been put away and is no longer active or visible for day-to-day use. If you ever need to revisit it, you can access archived Teamspaces through Settings, but for normal use, it's out of the way. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully archived a Teamspace in Notion for 2025. Keeping your Notion workspace tidy can make a big difference in productivity, so don't hesitate to clean up old or unused Teamspaces as your projects evolve. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see other Notion tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. I'm here to help you get the most out of your workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.